While cutting the rusted section out of this 91 Chevy pickup, I noticed that it had been repaired before. It was restored over 10 years ago by my friend that works at West Branch Collision in Michigan. The following are some shots of the bedside before cutting out this panel. And notice there's no signs of rust where this lap weld is. Here's the back side of the piece that I cut out, and here's the lap weld. And I'll give you a close-up shot. The welds are not even right next to each other. Here's a close-up shot of that seam, and you can see the new panel was lap welded, and these are the MIG welds, about a 1/4 inch apart. On the other side, we can see the lap joint, the MIG welds. Then it was tapped down, and a layer of waterproof fiberglass reinforced filler was applied, then the regular filler, primer, and the paint. Most body shops in Michigan, most good body shops, do it this way. The reason this new patch panel rusted out is because the salt water and debris gets trapped here where the inner panel and outer panel are pinched together and welded. To prevent this, all you have to do is squirt some motor oil or other rust preventative inside the panel after the repair to coat and protect that pinch weld. So here's a close-up of what I'm talking about. Here's your lap weld, knocked down, a layer of fiberglass reinforced filler and your regular filler, and here's a pinch weld at the bottom. On the inside, you have a hole, or this, the bigger the better, drilled at the lowest point so water, salt water, and debris can exit. Then, after the repair, you can hit it with some motor oil. You can squirt it in from from any direction, but you can also squirt it in your drain holes. That's going to coat this bottom, that pinch weld. It's going to seep around in there, and it'll never even start to rust. Remember, the patch always goes over the original panel. So on the inside, the lap is upside down. It's like a shingle. The water runs down over the shingle and straight to the bottom. If there's no drain hole, this is where it's going to rust first. This new repair will be done in exactly the same way. Lap welded, the seam tapped down, a layer of fiberglass reinforced filler, which is waterproof, then your regular filler, primer, and paint. The pinch weld under here was welded, but we made sure we drilled some holes. After this is painted, we'll go ahead and squirt some oil in there to coat that pinch weld. Then the owner can add oil anytime he wants in the future. Finally, after about 10 minutes, here's a close-up of that oil we squirted in to that model, and it's already creeping around, coating every inch of that pinch weld. Again, this lap welded repair is well over 10 years old and showed no signs of rust at all after driving it year-round and being stored outside. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on showing that lap welds on your rust repairs will not rust as long as they're done right. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.